Hello friends, and welcome to our today's video. I hope that you're all doing well. Today I'll be taking you through the dates of the green card application for the year 2022 and give you the details of the site where this application is to be done. For this year 2022, the green card lottery which you will be applying for is DV 2024. DV stands for Diversity Visa. Genuine application only happens in the month of October and within the application window provided. Most of the time is between the first week of October to the first week of November. This is because the fiscal year of the US government begins from the first day of October, 1st of October, to the 30th of September next year. So for those that will be applying for the DV 2024, they will be getting their results next year in 2023, the month of May. The US government communicates through its embassies in various countries the dates in which the application of the green card lottery happens. And in this year 2022, the first country that has announced the dates is Sierra Leone, that is from the US Embassy in Freetown, Sierra Leone. That has been the first embassy to announce the application dates. This is information that you can verify from the US Embassy, Freetown, Sierra Leone website. You can get that update from there too. And these dates were issued on the 14th of September 2022. Therefore, the official dates for the green card application in this year 2022 for the DV 2024 starts from the 5th of October to the 8th of November 2022. It starts from the 5th of October to November 8th, 2022. And the site from which you are to apply to do the application is dvprogram.state.gov. dvprogram.state.gov. That is where you're going to be applying from. It is unfortunate that there will be so many scams during this time that various people will be creating links and tricking people into clicking those links and maybe requesting them to give some of the information and also make payments. It is good to note that this application is free. So if you can do it by yourself, it is totally free. And the site where you do the genuine application is the only site is the US Department of State, and the URL is www.dvprogram.state.gov. As you can see from this page, this is where you will also be able to check the status in May next year. As you can see, for those that did apply for the DV 2023, they are able to check the status from here. So once you you do your application, please remember to keep your confirmation number. Keep your confirmation number, which you're going to use to check the status next year from the same site. Friends, that's all I had for you in this video. Please consider subscribing so that you do not miss the next video, where I'll be taking you through the perfect time to apply for the green card lottery, and also going through some of the reasons why some of your applications might be rejected. So ensure you've turned on your notification bell so that once I post those videos, you'll be first to receive the update. Thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.